Ever read something online and thought, wow, this sounds like a robot wrote it? If you've ever used ChatGPT or any other AI to write text, you've probably had that same thought. But what if I told you that with a few simple prompts, you can turn that robotic-sounding text into something that feels human, something that really connects with your readers? Intrigued? Stick around, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And the best part is, it's all free. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've just asked ChatGPT to write a script for a YouTube video titled, Top 10 Productivity Hacks for Remote Workers. The result? Well, it's informative, sure, but it's also a bit dry. It lacks that spark, that personality that makes content engaging. So what do we do? First things first, let's simplify the content. You see, ChatGPT tends to output structured and sometimes overly formal answers. To make it easier for us to humanize the text, we can break it down into a simpler form, like an article. This prompt helps to strip away some of the rigidity and turns the text into something more narrative, a story rather than just bullet points. But we're not done yet. Now we copy the text content detector.ai and Quillbot to check, and we can see that the effect is not ideal. Here's where many people run into trouble. You might think that running the text through an AI-to-human text converter or a tool like Quillbot will magically humanize it. In my opinion, it won't. These tools often miss the mark, leaving you with content that's still mechanical. Instead, we're going to leverage ChatGPT itself to refine the text further. Now, what's a good script without a little humor and some quirky facts? Here's where you can really have fun with your content. Incorporate humor and quirky facts throughout the video to keep it engaging. For example, introduce a surprising statistic like, remote workers take 37% fewer sick days, but are 50% more likely to work in their pajamas. Ensure that these facts are woven naturally into the script, contributing to both the content's perplexity and entertainment value. Did you know that remote workers take 37% fewer sick days, but are 50% more likely to work in their pajamas? It's true. Adding fun facts like this not only makes your content more enjoyable, but also more memorable. And by weaving these into your script naturally, you're boosting both its perplexity and entertainment value. Okay, we're almost there. Now let's make sure every single line in your script serves a purpose. Whether it's providing valuable insights or a chuckle, every word should count. Every line in the script should serve a purpose, either providing valuable insights or entertaining the viewer. Avoid fluff. Make sure each tip or piece of advice is practical and actionable. Engage the audience by blending useful information with lighthearted moments, ensuring the content is both informative and enjoyable. No fluff allowed. By ensuring that each line is either informative or entertaining, you keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Practical tips, combined with lighthearted moments, make for a winning combination. Finally, let's bring some heart into your script. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. This final prompt is all about connecting emotionally with your audience. Write in a warm, conversational tone, keeping the remote worker's perspective in mind. Use idioms, metaphors, and relatable anecdotes to make the content more accessible and engaging. Tailor the script to resonate with a diverse audience, those who might be struggling with productivity while working from home. Ensure the tone is supportive, encouraging, and slightly humorous, helping to build a strong connection with viewers. Think of your audience, remote workers who might be struggling with productivity. They're not just looking for tips. They want to feel understood. By writing in a warm, conversational tone and using relatable anecdotes, you create a script that resonates on a deeper level. It's like having a chat with a friend who just gets you. And there you have it, a fully humanized script, ready to engage and connect with your audience. Now, let's see how well it holds up. I'm going to take this final version and run it through some of the tools we talked about earlier. This is a great way to see if our adjustments have made a real impact. As expected, the results speak for themselves. While not every tool shows dramatic improvements, most of them indicate a clear shift towards more natural, engaging content. This just goes to show that with the right prompts and a little fine-tuning, you can significantly enhance the quality of AI-generated text. I really hope this video has been helpful for you. I've included all the prompts I used in the description area, so you can try them out for yourself. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know which prompts worked best for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy writing.